The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 3 Best Bosch Router. Number 3. Bosch RA1141. The Bosch RA1141 takes after its former, the RA1181, and improves its portability with a folding design that makes it easy and quick to store. In addition, its 15-amp plug with an additional outlet and safety switch simultaneously runs the dust collection and quickly disables and locks off the unit when needed. Its easy-click mounting system allows the router to be quickly and easily for bit changes. At the same time, its onboard storage easily stores away accessories that remain with the router table. This Bosch design needs minimal assembly since it comes pre-assembled. The taller fence gives your workpiece more stability, while the dust collection port mounted on the fence easily connects to the extractor with an adapter. For extra convenience, it has a set bit height gauge and a track on the table to enable it to use miter gauges and attach featherboards for extra security while in use. In addition, this Bosch design has accessories such as featherboards, multiple mounting plate insert rings, and additional hardware. The Bosch RA1141 table is versatile and compatible with other routers, so always check the compatibility before purchase. You can comfortably use it with materials beyond your typical 4x4 stock, which is a big plus since this increases its overall accuracy. Its improved featherboards are also compatible with other brands, which is also a big plus. Pros. It has a durability and precision rigid aluminum mounting. Portable design for easy storage. Easy click mounting system. Onboard accessory storage. It comes pre-assembled, so minimal assembly is needed. Tall fence. Included featherboards. Has a height gauge. Cons. Not the best for precision-intensive work. Coming in number 2. Bosch RA1181. The Bosch RA1181 router table comes with a larger work surface to ensure better precision and convenience as you operate. Its aluminum top is designed for superior durability, versatility, and portability like the RA1171. This Bosch router table comes with an aluminum fence and rigid aluminum router mounting plate for table height adjustment and compatibility with different routers. This benchtop router table includes a 2.5-inch dust collection port to maintain a clean workspace. It comes with adjustable featherboards and an additional accessory slot for extra featherboards and optional accessories. Its durable and portable design storage pocket, power cord lock, and inbuilt cord wrap allow convenient storage and portability to prevent unauthorized use. The Bosch RA1181 is versatile and designed to fit a variety of routers. In addition, its 2.5-inch dust collection port offers better dust collection for a cleaner work environment. Other than its large aluminum top, this router table includes mounting hardware features such as MDF faceplates, 2 outfeed shims, and an aluminum router mounting plate. It also includes a starter pin and a guard for routing curved workpieces. Additionally, the Bosch RA1181 can be efficiently used for different cuts of various sizes and shapes. Pros: benchtop router table design with a large aluminum top designed for durability and for providing a bigger work surface for maximum precision. Rigid aluminum router mounting plate pre-drilled for compatibility. An adjustment extra tall aluminum fence has adjustable faceplates for working with tall stock at maximum precision. Pre-drilled rigid aluminum mounting plate for more accuracy and compatibility with a variety of routers. To keep a clean work environment, it has a 2.5 inches dust collection port. Adjustable MDF faceplates and featherboards. Accessory slot for extra featherboards and optional accessories like the miter gauge. An accessories cord wrap storage for a 6-foot power cord. This benchtop router table provides a power cord lock that ensures safe use. Cons: slightly heavy. Doesn't come with a miter gauge. Only one dust port. It doesn't accept any template guides. Poor onboard storage features. Lacks a compact design. Slightly pricey. Coming in number 1. Bosch RA1171. The Bosch RA1171 cabinet-style router table delivers both power and precision in equal measure. This cabinet-style router table includes a smooth laminated work surface, a tall aluminum fence that measures 4 7/8 by 25 1/8 inches, and an aluminum router mounting plate that makes it convenient to achieve various kinds of perfectly accurate cuts. Furthermore, this cabinet-style router table provides compatibility with a variety of routers and can be perfectly mounted on any workbench. With the adjustable MDF faceplates and easy-to-use featherboards to maximize precision, it can easily handle tall stock to ensure support and control while you're feeding stock. As a result, you will enjoy smooth operation at maximum precision. This cabinet-style router table has a 2-port dust collection system and a noise reduction system to keep a clean workable environment. In addition, the cabinet-style design gives extra stability and storage space to the woodworker to help make the process of routing much easier and more efficient. Designed for DIYers and professional woodworkers, the Bosch RA1171 cabinet-style design cleverly combines accuracy with versatility. Pros cabinet-style design to ensure better stability, storage, and excellent dust collection. Works with tall stock at maximum precision thanks to its tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates. Pre-drilled rigid aluminum router mounting plate for more accuracy, versatility, and compatibility with a variety of routers. 2 dust collection system for a cleaner workspace with the help of a vacuum hose. Easy-to-use adjustable featherboards that attach to the fence and router table for additional support. 3 mounting plate insert rings. Feeding stock across for protection against kickback. Its accessory slot accepts extra featherboards. Cons: slightly heavy. Relatively small work surface. Relatively tedious assembly. Slightly pricey.